All right, everyone. Welcome to break 2023 for the Gold Rush Series 2 jersey, baseball jersey edition. Appreciate everyone getting in. First thing we're going to do is refresh the day and time according to eBay. It is currently Saturday, October 20th, 2018. It's 10:55 p.m. Eastern Time and 7:55 p.m. Pacific Time. All right. We got Jake with 22 spots, Inglewood with 2 spots, Jake with 3, and Sween Dizzle with 3. All right, fellas. 5 times in the randomizer. And then we go to column B, and we'll see what team you guys have. Good luck. Once, twice, 3 times, 4 times. Last time, Dave, you're on top there, and Jake, you're on the bottom. 5 times. There we have it. Dave, Diamondbacks, Jake, Braves, Sween, Orioles, Jake, Red Sox, Cubs, White Sox, Reds, Indians, Rockies, Tigers, Astros. Dave, Royals, Jake, Angels, Inglewood, Dodgers, Jake, Marlins, Inglewood, Brewers. Jake, Twins, Mets, Yankees, Athletics, Phillies, Pirates, Padres, Giants, Mariners, Cardinals, Rays, Rangers, Jays, and Nationals. All right, fellas. Let's see what we can get out of here. They better come back. I can't lose to Purdue. That will be bad. I need to be undefeated playing Michigan at the end of the year. That game will be nuts. Is that Brooks Robinson? Is that who that is? Brooks Robinson, 1983, for the Baltimore Orioles. For the Orioles, number 5. Brooks Robinson, Hall of Fame, 1985. Nice. Very cool jersey, guys. Brooks Robinson. Leaf, 12/36/22. Very nice. Brooks Robinson. Going out to the Baltimore Orioles. Brooks Robinson. All right, let's see who's snagging this. Baltimore Orioles, Dave with the snipe. Dave, you sniped yourself a Brooks Robinson autographed jersey, man. Congrats. Hall of Fame 83. Sorry, guys. Struggling here. All right, 5 times. Column C. Whoever's on top will get that free spot into the autographed mini helmet. Once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, and last time. Jake. Nice snag, Jake. 5 times, man. You got yourself a spot into bonus break 29. Since you didn't hit and you got a bunch of spots, I'll give you 2 into this one. There you go. All right, fellas, that's going to do it. Nice Brooks Robinson autographed Baltimore Orioles jersey. Very nice. If you guys have any comments, questions, or concerns, always feel free to ask. Please subscribe down below. Turn on notifications. Never miss a live break. We go live about 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And, yeah, nightly, guys. Check out the Instagram, Facebook, and eBay store, P Sports Charge 24. All the links are in the description below. All right, fellas, stay tuned. We got a Gold Rush jersey up next. Thank you.